God wants us to write his word on our heart and treasure it. Okay. And I got that from Proverbs chapter 2, verse 1 through 3. And it reads, my title of this chapter, y'all, is Benefits of Wisdom. 1. My child, listen to what I say and treasure my commands. 2. Tune your ears to wisdom and concentrate on understanding. 3. Cry out for insight and ask for understanding. Okay? I feel like it's first and foremost in chapter 1, in verse 1, it says, listen to what I say. So God is telling us to obey him. Listen to what I say, comma, and treasure my commands, right? Treasure means hold like what? Treasure means like what? Hold near, hold dear to, right? Treasure it. Like when you have treasure, you keep it safe, right? You keep it safe. Everybody can't touch it. Everybody can't hold it. Everybody can't be around it, right? Treasure it, right? It's special to you. 2. Tune your ears to wisdom and concentrate on understanding. So it says, tune your ears to wisdom. Like, listen out for him. Listen out for his word. Listen out for his understanding. Concentrate on understanding. Meditate on the word. I feel like a way we can concentrate on understanding is like meditating on the word, right? Sitting with it. Sit with your thoughts of what you just read. Write it down if you have to, right? Highlight it, take notes, right? Try to understand it. Even though you read in the Bible, Google some things, like Google some words that you don't know the definition of, right? Try to seek that understanding, right? And I feel like those are ways you can do that, right? um, Cry out for insight and ask for understanding. I feel like he's telling us to cry out to him, or maybe both. Cry out. I feel like he's telling us to cry out to him, right? Or cry out to like-minded people. Like, because I used to do this with my sister, and from this, we made a whole community of 15 people, just for me and my sister, just two people, right? So I would call her like, I don't understand this, or I'd be like, oh, let's read the Bible together, right? And we don't understand this. Let's call her mom, right? And then from that, we would call her mom like a lot. And she, even though she was wise in the word, she needed it too. It made her dig deeper in the Bible, right? It made her like, oh, I needed this breakdown too, right? Because I'm going through something where I needed to hear this. So thank y'all for trying to, understand it, right? And we call somebody an elder, right? We call an elder like somebody who's wise, somebody who we knew was close to God and knew the word, right? And read the Bible, right? Front to back, right? Cry out for help. Don't just, if you just stuck in it, don't just like, well, I don't understand, I'm gonna just close it. No, don't close it. Open it back up. Give it a try. That's what I had to do, right? I had plenty of Bibles. I had a Bible since I was a child, right? I have Now I have other Bibles, right? I had the King James Bible, and I was talking to my cousin. I'm like, I don't understand it, right? And she sent me this Bible. This is a woman Bible. It's NLT version. That's a simpler version. Try to understand it. Get different versions. NIV and NLT is like the clearest understanding, right? Try, seek it. Try to understand it. Don't just give up because it's hard. Because trust me, I did that, and I was away from the word for a long time. I just thought, oh, I could just believe in God and try to live righteous and try to do right and not steal, not kill, not lie. I'm cool, right? I don't got to read the word. Wrong. I was wrong. We have to read the word. We have to seek that understanding, and we seek it with Him. Like, you can't just seek it by just, you can't we can't really get too much wisdom just by praying. We have to eat up this word, right? Y'all seen that trend on TikTok? Come on now, eat it up, right? Eat up the word, daily bread. Okay, yeah, y'all. So I feel like that's what I got from that scripture. Proverb Proverbs chapter 2, verse 1 through 3. Y'all write this down, read this for y'all self. Take it to God. I love y'all. God love y'all more. Peace.